Welcome back, everyone. Another day. Please hit like, please hit subscribe. So I want to go over today, installed Renogy 100-watt solar panel. Basically what I did was I bought the panel and the controller as a kit. I'll show you the controller in a minute. And then I also bought, because I didn't really want to drill through the roof, so I found on Amazon was these corner pieces. They basically come with the glue, and then you screw into the sides. So that did pretty good. This thing is solid. I let it dry a good 24 hours before I screwed in the side, because if I screwed in, I think it would have pulled the thing apart. So did that, installed the wires through. This came with this kit. I think it was about $30 total, and then I put some butyl tape underneath, drilled a hole through, and it ran the cables through, so it seems to be working pretty good. Then let me go down. I had already mounted the controller in here. It's up there. I just turned off the charging unit, so you can see it's getting a charge. I don't know if you could read that with the screen, but it's 13.3. It's showing that it's getting, even on this cloudy day, it's getting some kind of power. So if I turn that off completely, I notice it just kind of goes all over the place. And then I can see it's taking in power, but it's not going anywhere. So it's there. But now without that, my battery's at a 12.97 charge just on its own. So it's definitely charged up. And then once I click this back on, it kind of settles down. The controller is just getting solar power, but it has nowhere to go because I had popped the fuse. But anyway, plug it back in. Now it kind of settles down. It's got a 12.9, so it's really not getting too much of a charge right now. But as you can see, it is a cloudy, overcast day. Installed it. I'm supposed to put a piece of the back, one of those front two. I didn't end up doing that just because I didn't have room with the fan there. And then you can see I'm right up along the edge there. So I figured to put two in the front. Worst comes to worst, that's where most of the wind force is going to be coming to try to pull it off the trailer anyway, or the camper anyway. So I figured two in the front was better than one in the back and one in the front anyway. You can see it's a little bit of a gap under there, how it holds. You just see the wires from the solar panel, but I like it because there's no holes. I'll let you guys know how it works out on a long trip. But anyway, please hit like, please hit subscribe. If you guys have any questions, please just let me know. Let's see, turn off the light, see if it jumps up a little bit. Still is at 12.9. It's amazing. All these LED lights really just don't take any power at all. But all right, please hit like, please hit subscribe, and I'll keep posting on these videos. Let you know I'm going camping this coming up weekend, and I'll post. Thanks a lot. Bye.